Welcome to Code Coding. Let us see how to use loops in Python. Normally, when we write a print statement one time, Python will run the code one time, correct? Like this one. So we will get one output. What if we want to run that same print statement 10 times? We will write the same print statement 10 times and run the code. Then Python will print the same output for 10 times like this. But just like a YouTube video in a loop, there is also a way to write the statement only once and repeat the statement in a loop. We can ask Python to run that one print statement 10 times. Really? So how can we do it? We can put that one print statement in a loop. So now Python will print it again and again. That is how a loop works. We can make Python repeat the same work 10 times, 100 times, or even 1 million times because we are not writing the same code again and again, and it will make our code so easy to read and understand. To know more interesting things about loops, follow and subscribe Code Panel.